Hi guys, so today is I think 14th. Today is 14th of November 2020, and we girls over there, we are going to go take our convocation picture. More like pictures we're going to use for our daughter, something that we can post, something that people can post about us, because on the 28th of this month is our convocation and we have to get pictures that people will post. Guys, look at the bags I carried. These are like bags for shoe, and then these are like bags for clothes. So guys, this is Honor and Juliet, and yeah, I did their makeup.
Oh yeah, the makeup is so nice and cute. I love it.
It's so fine with the sun, Abby. Guys, I'm putting on my graduation gown. It's so funny. Like, it's really late already, and we're taking pictures. It's really late, guys. She's taking a picture already. This is the cameraman.
Okay, smiles. Let me see.
Guys, we actually changed to our uniform for the final. Although I wore my wig already because I am tired and I just want to get changed, so we'll be going back to the hostel. So guys, we just came back to the hostel, and this was literally how I left my room before I went out, because I was in the rush after making my friends up and myself. Everything was all scattered, I could not arrange, so yes. And then they also gave us this invitation card for our convocation due to the whole coronavirus thing happening. They told us that we're not supposed to allow more than one person enter, or if they are couples, then the both of them are going to use this. But if not, you're not supposed to allow more than one person coming for you. So this was my invitation card. I also went on to fix my nails, so this was what I used for my convocation. I really love the way she did this. It was just perfect. And then I did my toenails. So this was after the whole lecture and the whole thing. We were out just to take pictures and so on.
Guys, see who came for me. My baby came. Ella, you look sweet. Come here. Promise you too. Congratulations, everybody! Don't fuck, man. Boy, if you fuck, I'm gonna choke your heart. I want to dance. I want to dance. So, guys, this is what I am putting on. I just moved my wig because I am so tired. I've been taking pictures since, guys, and I came very late. All of the people I had to make up for. Here I am. I got this gown from my mom's shop. This is how it is, literally. And I got this purse from my classmate. She sells bags, so I got this one from her. And I did my makeup myself. As you all know, I am a makeup artist. I hope you all like the makeup. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful to God, guys. The convocation is still in place right now. I'm just going because I don't make anything because my induction is still coming up. So I'm just going to go to those canopies there and look for those people I know. I don't know the photos right now. I'm going to get one of the things from them. So guys, I'm going to come back and hit you up later. Mwah. Bye everybody. Say hello to the camera. Hi. Video call. Hi.
So these were like everything I got from my convocation the day I went. I got like 7 different jotters from different people convocating, and all of this over here are from my church actually. So they gave me their jotters. I really don't think he is from my church, but every other person here, they're Catholics and we attend the same church. So guys, I don't do any jotter because I still have like my induction coming up, and I think that is like the time I'm going to do a jotter. If there is going to be one, then that's when I'm going to do my jotter. And I also got this award from NFCS. This is an award given to me. I was the head of drama ministry actually for 2 years. This is supposed to be 2018 to 2020. Yes, because I was drama head for 2 years and it was really fun. I thank God for all of it. And then this is also an award also from my church, NFCS, the Nigerian Federation of Catholic Students. This was what they gave to me and I'm so grateful for it. I am really happy. And then guys, let us come to the other thing for today. This is like part of my testimony. So first of all, I got this is the magazine they give to us on our convocation day. And then I am going to show you all my picture. This is literally everybody graduating. I'm just going to swipe to where my picture is. So guys, I am so grateful. I actually came out with it's a class honor upper division. Honestly, I was not expecting this after the ups and downs from school and all, but I was just so grateful that this was what I got. Honestly guys, actually my elder brother came for me and was like the first person to see that, because I had lots of people I wanted to, not really lots, I just did like 3 different people's makeup, and before I came to the hall it was really late. I think I came to the hall like around 12 or to 1, and everything was supposed to start by 10, so I really came late. So when I came, I did not get a chance to check this magazine. I was just all scattered. I just went to take my own. This here, they gave this to us, so I just went to take mine. And then when I came out, my brother told me about it and I was just so happy. I really could not express myself because I was not expecting it, guys. Like I wasn't expecting any of this. So literally this is my testimony. The thing is that even before my cancelled exams, I was really not sure about the exam because I know how it is for everybody, but for me it's really not easy with school, and I really have to put extra effort if I know I want to get something right. So I really tried my best to do my best. The thing is that I wrote my first pre-council and to a class of 70, and then like I think 30 something people passed and I was not among those people. At that time we were 3 reading, 3 of us, and then the 2 persons, like I and 2 of my other classmates, and then the 2 other people passed, but I did not. I really felt bad because we literally studied very hard for it, and then at that time I was like, okay God, I just believe in you and let your will be done. So after that time, I had an opportunity to write another pre-council still in school. Then I wrote and I passed. I was so grateful. I really don't know what to do. I was just crying. Then after that, our council was coming up, and then I wrote our council during the whole corona period. That was in August. It was supposed to be due by May, but then it was moved to August. I believe everything happened just the way God wants it to be. And then in August I wrote my council exams, and then the results came out a month later, and then I passed, and I was really so happy because there's sometimes that maybe when I was at home for the corona, and then I open my book and want to study, and then my brothers will be like, what are you studying for? And I'll be like, oh, my council low, I don't know when this exam will come up. And then they'll just smile, and then they'll be like, because they know how difficult it is for me to study and really get it, and then they'll just laugh and be like, okay, well done. And just the time I got my results, I called my brothers, I told them that I passed, and then my brother told me that I just made this day because I don't really know, but I might not really be giving them like the full 100% mindset that I was going to pass, but I passed, and that is like the first thing. And then the second thing is me graduating with a second class upper, because there was one time and my brother were talking to my dad, and then my brother is studying survey, and then my dad was like, Daniel, my dad was like, hey, you can, I was talking to my brother, and he was like, you can come out, you can graduate with a second class upper, is not bad, is okay. And then I was like, Daddy, what of me? He said, you that are studying nursing, your course is kind of difficult, so just try, even if it's 2 you get. And then I smiled, I was like, okay, Daddy, I'm going to surprise you. I just said it at that point because I really was not thinking about it, because I know how stressful and everything, how school has been. But then for me to have seen myself in this magazine, and I came out with a 2-1, I was so excited. I was not expecting it. And then I also went for my clearance, and then it has been signed that I got a 2-1. My statement of results is going to be out very soon. And the thing is, when I saw that result at that particular time, I was not expecting it, but I just really want to use this medium to just try and speak to 1 or 2 people that are going to be watching this video. I've always had this mindset that I cannot just be an ordinary girl. I've always had this mindset that I have something that I am going to do in this life. I've always had that mindset, and I've always had this mindset that I am a child of God, and I try my best to serve God the right way, even though sometimes the things of the world just come over and everything like that. Nobody's perfect, but I always try my best to do those things. And then I just want to come here and tell you all that if you are, even the Bible said that faith without work is dead. Honestly, I put all my effort, especially to my council exams. I put all my efforts, and not just my efforts, I prayed. Like normally I would just pray in the morning and then try and pray before I sleep, but it was beyond that. I would literally wake up in the middle of the night, or if I'm awake to that particular time at 3 a.m. I don't miss it. I always say my prayers. Like I always take out time to pray. I always even try to pray, even if for like 30 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. Sometimes I don't want to exceed it, and if it can even be up to an hour, I would love it. And guys, it actually paid. If you don't believe in God, there is God, because if it's just me, if it's just what I read, if it's just what I know, then I'll not be able to pass my council exam, and neither will I be able to come up with a second class upper, because I really do not know how my dad will feel when I tell him about this result, because honestly, God busted my bubbles, and not just bust my bubbles, he busted the bubbles of my family and my dad. And I really just want to tell you all that I am grateful to God. I am grateful to my parents for all their support, because I know how expensive it is here. I know how I always complain. I know how hard it has been for my dad to support us and everything, for my mom for all her support, her calls, and to my siblings for always helping out in any way they can. I am so grateful to my friend Juliet, my bestie, to everybody around me, to Josephine, to everybody, to my subscribers. I'm so grateful. I'm just so happy that I can come here to tell everybody what I am saying right now, and just to tell you, if you are out there, please do not give up in whatever thing that you are doing. What I'm going to tell you, that you should put your effort. So I said something in one of my videos. I was listening to an inspirational video, and then he said that if you want to achieve what you have not achieved before, you have to do what you have never done before, guys. And what is it that you have never done before? If you feel you have been reading, what is that thing that you have never done before? Have you prayed? If you feel you have been praying before, what is that thing that you have not done before? Have you read? And if you feel you have been praying and reading, I think you should go extra mile with it. I don't need anything at all that you find yourself doing, not just in academic, in your business, in anything, guys. You should put the extra work in it and put God in it. God should be the first thing. I believe totally in God. I believe that I have greater things to achieve in this world. Honestly, I believe that people are going to hear God's name through me. Is it through my business as a makeup artist, through my career as a nurse, through my channel as a YouTuber, anything at all? I just want to give God all the glory. I keep on wanting from now to I don't know, but I am grateful. And then, guys, also my induction, just because our induction will be on the 18th of December, so literally I'm going to be in school till then. And yes, you all are very invited. I just pray that my popsy sends me enough money so I can make jota and food for everybody, just as how these other people did here, and they gave me theirs, so that anybody that is coming for me, I'm going to give them one of this. So please, you are all invited. Even if I don't make jota, just come and celebrate with me. So thank you all so much for staying tuned to my channel, for being part of my family. I am grateful to have each and every one of you. Please, I am open to any conversation, anything that I want to talk about. The link to my Instagram, to my email, it's going to be at the description box. If you want to talk to me about anything, please feel free to do that, because I feel we all need somebody to talk to. Thank you all so much for staying tuned. I love you all so much. This is the nails that I did, and they are still intact, and I still love them. Thank you all so much, guys. So stay tuned to my videos, to my other videos I'm going to be posting. I love you. Bye, everybody.